is Chef B. I'd like to welcome you guys to my channel. Happy Easter. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. You won't really see me doing too much cooking today. I'm just going to be breaking down 2 whole tilapias and turning them into fillets. However, I will put the finished product at the end. I'm going to put them in my air fryer because currently our oven is not working. So we're going to use the air fryer instead. It does the same exact thing. So when I was in school, my favorite class that we took was product identification and fabrication. Fabrication is basically breaking down your protein, so breaking down fish, chicken, beef, pork, etc. So that's what you guys will see me doing today, and we're going to get right into it. So here we have our tilapia. I'm going to take one of them. So first things first, you want to go behind the gills. You want to go ahead and slice like a C. Next thing you're going to do, once you've created that C, see how it opens up? You're going to go in and you're going to turn your knife. You're going to go into the end of your tail. You're going to slice it at the end of the tail. But don't cut all the way through, just enough to where you can see the fillet. There's one tilapia fillet. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Make sure you make your C. Keep on slicing all the way through. And whenever you're slicing your fish, you always want to cut against the bone and not your meat. That way you're not losing too much fish. Now we have 2 tilapia fillets. This is a pretty small tilapia, so of course the fillets are a little bit smaller. Now with your body, you can scrape all of this out and you can use it in like fish stock. But before you use it for your fish stock, you can actually use the whole entire body. But before you do that, you want to take your eyeballs out. So before you place the fish carcass into your fish stock, you want to go ahead and take the eyeballs out because the eyeballs can cause your stock to be cloudy and you want your stock to be clear. So you'll take the back of your spoon, you'll dig in, and you'll pop it out. There's one eyeball. And then there's 2. You got 2 tilapia eyeballs. And sit your body to the side. And you're going to do the same with your next one. Thank you guys for joining me today. I'm going to put the finished product at the end of the video. Tune in next time. Thank you guys for watching.